Today, we're going to demonstrate how to transmit and receive the Universal Distress Signal SOS using Morse light in accordance with Call Regs Annex 4 and the International Code of Signals. I have received the SOS distress signal. According to maritime law, this signal means I am in distress and require immediate assistance. We must respond quickly or notify the nearest rescue coordination center.
Always remember, the SOS signal using Morse code light is a critical part of maritime communication. It saves lives and must recognize and acted upon immediately.